Hey yo, what is up, Lexus crew? What's poppin'? I know I haven't posted in a year, but guys, I'm trying to come back. But why? You might be asking me why I haven't been posting. Yeah, it's because I was procrastinating. Okay, yeah, procrastination is a sin. I don't know. I don't care. Okay. Anyways, so today I want to bring up something serious to you guys. What is it, you ask? It's gonna be about cats. I know. Why are cats so freaking weird? Oh my god. Yo, okay, look. I have compiled some videos to show you guys why cats are weird. I hope you enjoy. But first, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content, because trust me guys, I haven't posted for a while, but I have content building up in my phone literally for the past year to share with you guys. And I can't wait to do it. So if this video gets, let's just start it off with 20 likes, 20 likes, I'll post more videos, okay? So, sit back, relax, and watch the weirdness of cats. Let the weirdness of cats begin. Okay, first of all, she had that coming. I mean, look at the face of that cat, okay? He's like, I'm about to slap you. Don't tempt me. Don't tempt me, blacks! Yeah, she deserved that one, man. She probably didn't feed him or something, you know. Okay, I gotta admit, this is my favorite video right now with cats, okay? Look at that, look at that. Let me play that back one more time. Look at it. Oh my god. It's like yo, cats are freaking weird. Oh my god. One more time. It never gets old. With the power invested in me, I cast the demon out of the cat. Be gone! I am dead serious. If I wake up in the middle of the night and I hear my pet cat going like, I'm calling a freaking exorcist, okay? To take the demon out of that shit. Oh my god. Oh my, I'm not even kidding. I'll probably run out of the freaking house. I'll set it on fire or something, because I don't want no demon-ass cat. I know I said cats are weird and cute and adorable, right? But they're also demonic. Demonic animals. They could eat your soul. Alright guys, if you like the video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up for me, guys. Remember, if this video gets 20 likes, I'm going to be posting more stuff, okay? So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and, hey, peace. Deuces.